Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expert insight. Today, I've got something a little sparkly in store for you. Too Faced Disco Crush High Shine Glitter Eye Plus Face Sparkle in shade 03 Hypnotic. If you've been hunting for a product that delivers both drama and shine, this may just be the one you've been waiting for. The Too Faced Disco Crush is a multi-dimensional, creamy glitter formula that promises a full-on shine with light-shifting pearls. It's designed for both eyes and face, offering you versatile options for a glamorous look. Whether you're looking to add a touch of sparkle to your eyelids or glow up your cheekbones, this product is here to deliver some serious shimmer. Now, let's dive deeper into what this product really offers. The texture is creamy and smooth, and it applies effortlessly without any patchiness, always a plus when you're working with glitter. What sets it apart is the high concentration of light-shifting pearls that catch the light at every angle. It almost feels like you're wearing a custom-made sparkle for your skin. As for the color, 03 Hypnotic is a beautiful light gold that shifts in intensity based on the lighting. It's perfect for those who want a more subtle, elegant glow or a more intense glitter effect for those special nights out. I've had a chance to test this out both in natural daylight and in artificial light, and the way it plays with the light is truly mesmerizing. When it comes to wearability, it's lightweight and comfortable. I had no issues with it feeling heavy or uncomfortable on my skin. It stays in place all day without any fallout, which is crucial when you're working with glitter. I've used it as a highlighter on the cheekbones and as an eye topper, and both applications went smoothly. Now let's talk about the performance of this product. One thing I truly appreciate is its buildable nature. You can layer it for a more intense look or use it lightly for a subtle glow, which makes it so versatile. I tested it in a real-life scenario, wearing it through a full workday and then out to dinner. It held up beautifully, not fading or flaking, which is a big win in my book. So let's break it down. The pros of this product include its impressive shine, long-lasting wear, and its multi-use functionality. It's perfect for anyone who loves adding a touch of glamour to their look, whether for a day at the office or a night out. The creamy texture ensures that it's easy to apply and doesn't create any mess, and the color is universally flattering. But there are a couple of cons. If you're not a fan of glitter, you might find it a little too flashy for daily use. Also, if you're someone who prefers a more matte finish, this won't be your go-to product. In terms of value for money, this product falls in the mid-range. It's priced on the higher end of the spectrum for a single glitter product. But considering its multi-use capabilities, the quality of the ingredients, and the stunning finish, I think it justifies the cost. You're not just getting a simple glitter here, you're getting a product that performs beautifully in multiple ways. When comparing it to other glitter products on the market, Too Faced Disco Crush stands out for its luxurious texture and intense shine. While there are cheaper options, many don't offer the same level of quality or versatility. So if you're looking for a glitter product that's both high-performing and multifunctional, this one delivers. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and sturdy. It's travel-friendly, which I always appreciate in a beauty product. I can see this lasting a good amount of time, as you don't need much to achieve the desired effect. Given its creamy formula, I expect it to stay fresh for several months without drying out. If you're into the sparkle trend and love a good high shine product, I'd say this one is worth checking out. It's easy to use, versatile, and the shimmer is truly stunning. But if glitter isn't your thing, or if you prefer a more subtle shine, this may not be the right fit for you. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are other great glitter options available at a lower price point, but none quite match the performance of Too Faced Disco Crush. It might not be the cheapest, but for the results, it's definitely worth considering. So, who should buy this product? If you're a fan of shimmer, love a versatile product, and don't mind the price tag, this could be a perfect addition to your makeup collection. It's especially great for those looking to amp up their glam game for special occasions or whenever they want to add a little extra sparkle. If this review helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay updated on all our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you the most genuine and thorough insights into beauty products. Thanks for watching. And if you've tried this product, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.